To pass against Piang. Long pass to Manceras for 3. No good. Rebound by Calalagan. Long pass to Tam. It's a final throw. Balls and play. For the final throw, balls and play. B-I-N-G. 2 points. Samo. Dribble the ball. Long. To Valdisamo. Pass to Valdisamo. Attempt. No good. Rebound by Piang. Long pass to Polo. Polo now. Is at Valdisamo now against Alam. Dribble the ball. Looking for Sama to pass. Intercepted with Pagayaw. Long pass to Polo. Polo lays up. Is a nice layup committed by Polo. Score now is 12 all. Still nobody's game. It's a deadlock score, 12 all. Valdisamo to Nebla. Intercepted with by Tampugaw. Tampugaw now dribble the ball. Looking for Sama to pass against Manceras. Looking for his teammate. 30 seconds more to play before the end of the first quarter, second quarter. It's a nice layup by Nebla. Pagayaw. Dribble the ball against Valdisamo. Long pass to Tampugaw. To Polo. Polo for 2. This for Sama to pass against Manceras. Looking for his teammates. Valdisamo now to Manceras. Sama to pass is Asian versus Golasian Uno. And for our last game tonight, it will be playing between Sunrise versus Sangyo. Time bound. Long pass to Pagayaw against Manceras. Pass to Alam. For 3 points. Alam. Yes, now. Nebla to Valdisamo. Valdisamo dribble the ball. Score now is a change favor. Bubuan now is enjoying of 1 point. Calalagan. Long pass to Polo. For 2. Basket. Is a nice layup committed by Polo. Valdisamo to Valdisamo. Long pass to Valdisamo against Pagayaw. Looking for someone to pass. Still attempt. 3 points. 2 points. 2 points. Yes, now. Pull against Valdisamo. Dribble the ball. Looking for someone to pass. Pagayaw. 2 points for Pagayaw. The score now is 16-20. Bubuan now is enjoying of 2 shots, 4 points. Remaining time left is 2 minutes and 35 seconds more to play before the end of the second quarter. Pagayaw against Valdisamo. Lisa is a nice layup by Pagayaw. The score is 16-22. Valdisamo against Polo. Intercepted with Pagayaw. Long pass to Tampugaw. Our score is 16-22 in favor of Bubuan. Nebla for 2. No good. Follow up by 2 is a nice follow up by Nebla. Yes, now. Calalagan to Tampugaw. Pass to Polo. Polo against Valdisamo. Back to Tampugaw against Manceras. Tampugaw now. Long pass to Calalagan. To Polo. Polo for 3. No good. Rebound by Tampugaw. No good again. Rebound by Nebla. Valdisamo to Nebla. Nebla now is before the end of the second quarter. The score is 18-22 in favor of Bubuan. Polo. Long pass to Pagayaw against Manceras. Back to Polo. Polo to Alam. Back to Pagayaw. Pagayaw for 3. No good. Rebound by Calalagan to Polo before the end of the second quarter. Valdisamo against Alam for 2. No good. Rebound by Calalagan. Nebla. Play before we end of the second quarter. The score is 18-22 in favor of Buwal. 50. 45. Basket. Pagayaw. Long pass to Polo against Valdesamo. Pagayaw. Pass to Alam. Rebound by Valdesamo. 30 seconds to Valdesamo. Nebla is a nice shot. Novalis game. It's a deadlock score. 20 to all. 20 to all. 15 seconds. 10.